sir. My name is Vishal Darai. I am 24 years old. I am from Girona town. My education plus 2 pass in education Sri Panchakanya Higher Secondary School. I am a married person. I have 3 years work in supermarket. Uh, supermarket. I have worked in supermarket as a state depart